కేంద్ర నూతనంగా రూపొందించిన వ్యవసాయ బిల్లులు ఇవాళ రాజ్యసభ ముందుకు వచ్చాయి. ఇప్పటికే వ్యవసాయ బిల్లులను వ్యతిరేకిస్తూ కేంద్ర మంత్రి హర్సిమ్రత్ కౌర్ రాజీనామా చేశారు. టీఆర్ఎస్ కూడా వ్యవసాయ బిల్లులను తీవ్రంగా వ్యతిరేకిస్తోంది. అయితే రైతుల సంక్షేమం కోసం వ్యవసాయ బిల్లులను తీసుకొచ్చినట్లు ప్రధాని మోదీ తెలిపారు. రాజ్యసభ సమావేశాలు జరుగుతున్నాయి. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
विपक्ष को इस मुद्दे पर राजनीति और किसानों को गुमराह करना बंद करना चाहिए, जबकि ग्रामीण अर्थव्यवस्था में सुधार करने के लिए एक काफी बड़ा सुधार हम लोग लेकर के आए हैं। महोदय, मैं आपके सामने ये कहना चाहता हूं कि आज जो बिल इस सरकार के माध्यम से किसानों की स्थिति को सुधारने के लिए आया है, वो वैल्यू एडिशन है। जो वर्तमान व्यवस्था है उसमें एक नया वैल्यू, एक नया ऑप्शन दिया है। अगर हम किसी को दो ऑप्शन दे रहे हैं तो उस ऑप्शन को अपनाने में कमी कहां आ रही है? उस ऑप्शन के द्वारा हम देश में एक नए विकास की संभावनाओं को अगर तलाशना चाह रहे हैं तो उसको विपक्ष क्यों रोकना चाहता है? और मैं ये पुनः कहना चाहूंगा कि 2010 में भी जो एग्रीकल्चर वर्किंग कमेटी की रिपोर्ट थी वो पॉलिटिकल कंसेंसस के साथ थी। हम देश के साथ अपनी राजनीति के लिए गुमराह की राजनीति ना करें। और इसलिए मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि ये जो नए दोनों कृषि कानून आए हैं, ये देश में एक नए परिवर्तन को लेकर के आए हैं। देश की जो एक नई हमारी एग्रीकल्चर की ताकत है उसके आधार पर देश को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए आए हैं। भारत के किसान को विश्व के बाजार में प्रतिस्पर्धा करने के लिए, आगे बढ़ाने के लिए लेकर आए हैं। देश के नए नौजवान किसानों को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए बिल लेकर के आए हैं। और इसलिए मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि एक बार कृपया वापस से 1970 के उस भाषण से अपने आप को अलग करिए। भाखड़ा नांगल पे जो 70 के भाषण हुआ करते थे, ये आधुनिक भारत है, ये 21वीं सदी का भारत है। इसमें नई सोच और नई टेक्नोलॉजी से, जरा नए विचार से आप विकास करिए। वापस से इन भाषणों को, पुराने रटे हुए भाषणों को छोड़िए। देश का किसान वापस से एक नई अपने रास्ते और नई मंजिल का इंतजार कर रहा है। ये उच्च सदन पुनः वापस से किसानों के लिए जो नया रास्ता खुला है उसको अपना पूर्ण समर्थन दे और इन दोनों बिलों को पास करके हम भारत के किसानों को विश्व में एक अच्छा स्थान देने का काम करें और इस बिल को पूरा समर्थन करें। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद माननीय भूपेंद्र जी। माननीय श्री डेरिक ओब्रायन जी।
Sir, how qualified am I to speak on this bill? Sir, I belong to a party called the All India Trinamool Congress. Let me take you back to the year 2006. The chairperson of this party, for the sake of farmers, Kisan, put her life at risk on a historic 26-day hunger strike fighting for the rights of farmers. How qualified is the Trinamool Congress to speak on these bills? 7 years ago, 4th of September 2013, land acquisition bill. This side BJP, that side the others, we were in the middle. We opposed this bill. We only got 13 votes, but we opposed the land acquisition bill upholding the rights of farmers. We were only 13. But in 2016, the Supreme Court ordered that the rights of farmers, the land would be given back. But then they'd say that is history. आज तो आधुनिक भारत है. चलो, आधुनिक भारत. How is Bengal doing? How qualified are we to speak as a government on this bill from Bengal? Last 6 years, Krishi Karman Award given by central government went to Bengal. You compare the Pradhan Mantri Kisan scheme with the Krishak Bandhu scheme, which is funded by the Bengal government, where the benefits are given to the farmers. You compare these two schemes, you will find the Bengal scheme is better. Kisan credit card in Bengal, 92% coverage with 55 lakh farmers covered on the Kisan credit card. Crop insurance for farmers, PM Fasal Bima Yojana, 25% now is the central contribution. उसके आगे देता था 50%, अभी देता है कम कर दिया है. State, please tell me, Agriculture Minister, in your scheme, how much does the farmer pay for the insurance premium? Because in my state, all 4 stages from pre-sowing to pre-harvest is paid by the state. Farmer has to pay nothing. Now you come to how qualified are you? Big speeches, 26-minute speeches, Now let me ask you, yesterday Pradhan Mantri said, opposition is trying to mislead the farmers. Acha? Let us see what credibility you have to make these speeches. Promise double farmer income by 2022. Aapne bola double farmer income. At current rates, farmer income will not be doubled before 2028 at current rates. I can also give big talk. But in Bengal, from 90,000 rupees in 2011, farmer income has not doubled. Triple ho gaya, sir. 2,90,000. No promise delivered by Mamata Banerjee in Bengal. So don't give us lectures. Notebandi, you also gave us a big lecture. What happened? What happened? You all don't use the word now. After 50 minutes of announcing Notebandi, let me read a tweet from Mamata Banerjee. Withdraw this draconian decision. हमने बोला, आपने नहीं सुना. Digital India, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, कुछ भी पूछता है, data not available, no data available. All these are promises. Another promise, 2 crore jobs every year. Now you have the highest unemployment. So I can go on and on, sir. Your credibility is low to make promises. And by the way, one headline, we are opposing this MSP. Please understand, in the food security system, if it was a body, heart, lungs, kidney, brain, MSP is only one of the 4. We are opposing the entire thing. Why? State's role, MSP, PDAS, public procurement. On all 4, so don't bring this debate down to MSP only. Have you consulted the states? You are reading about 2010, 2011. When you last wrote to the West Bengal government, draft agriculture, produce and livestock contract farming, the Bengal government opposed this bill. Bengal government opposed this bill. Contract farming bill is anti-constitutional. It does not give the central government the right to legislate in the states. Sir, on APMC, farmers are not protected, sir. States, the issue is federalism. States will not be able to ensure farmer interest. States will not be able to ensure that only licensed traders are buying from MSP. Sir, and what chance does the farmer have? What chance does he have to take the big boys to court, to negotiate with the private purchaser? Who are they trying to fool, sir? One headline, MSP. No, we need to look at it very deeply, sir. For the consumers also, sir, what is the protection? What is the protection for hoarding, profiteering, price rise? Sir, but in all this, there is a bigger picture. There is a much bigger picture, sir. And we can debate this bill in great detail. The bigger picture is, if you ask the BJP, they'll tell you, we have the numbers. You oppose this. This is where, beyond the farmers, I want the young people of India to understand what is going on in Parliament. These bills have to be discussed and debated. We are the only one of 3 countries in the world who do not have to call Parliament to pass a bill. These bills have to be discussed. They have to be scrutinized. They have to be legislated. You cannot do this 6 minutes here, 8 minutes there. And the young people of India who are watching, there are people like my party and all the parties in the opposition. We will keep fighting for our democratic right in Parliament. No, you have the right, you have the numbers to have your way. We have the right to have our say and to keep you on track of a parliamentary democracy. Sir, this is a very, I've got time, don't worry, I know there's another speaker. Sir, this is a very dangerous trend we are following. And I'm going to tell you, when I get a chance to intervene, as to why we want this bill to go to a select committee. Select committee is not one handbrake. Select committee is to contribute. I want to leave the BJP. I'm going to move the select committee. How many BJP MPs, you don't need to answer this, think about it, have read these 2 bills? Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू माननीय प्लीज योर टर्म विल कम विराल साहब आपका टर्म आएगा तब प्लीज माननीय श्री एस.आर. बालासुब्रमण्यम माननीय एस.आर. बालासुब्रमण्यम आपकी टाइम आएगी तब आप बोले प्लीज इट विल नॉट गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड आपका समय आएगा आपका नाम है तब आप बोले आपकी पार्टी जब बोलेगी प्लीज
Chairman, sir, before I start, I wish to ask one question. What are the exigencies and urgency in promulgating the ordinance?
प्लीज सिट
Is it because of the COVID-19 lockdown? I would like to say that farmers are the least affected due to COVID pandemic, as they are the people who continue to perform their
प्लीज
the government
आपस में बात
imposing
करें प्लीज
lockdown. And
दोला सेन जी प्लीज गो टू योर सीट प्लीज
the bills are passed in Lok Sabha and required to be passed in this house. Sir, the majority of farmers are small farmers and marginal farmers. The contract farming worldwide has proved to be a failure. There is an apprehension all over India that the government is using COVID-19 pandemic situation to bulldoze agriculture sector reforms through ordinances. The Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Service